So in this video, you'll learn how to insert a logo in CapCut Desktop. So the first step is to launch CapCut, and then you can choose to use a pre-created project, or you can just click on Create Project and then wait for the project page to open. From here, you then want to import the first image. So this is where you're going to be inserting the logo. It can be an audio, it can be a video, completely up to you. So just click on import and then it will open the file explorer and you want to start selecting your preferred file. So I'll be using an image, but these instructions should apply if you've also chosen to use a video. And so once you've imported it, you want to add it to the timeline. To do that, you want to click on this plus icon or simply just drag it and drop it onto the timeline. Once you've finished adding it to the timeline, it's now time to insert the logo. So to do that, you then want to go back to the import section and then you want to click on import again. And then you want to select your logo. So it will open the file explorer, just select your logo. Once your logo has been selected, you want to add it onto the timeline as an overlay. To do that, you want to drag it until it's resting on top of the project underneath, like that. And then you can see it's been added as an overlay. So you can now move it around, you can adjust it to your liking. So if you want to make it shorter, so if you want it to run only for a specific part, you want to ensure that you've selected it, then use these handles to shorten it, and then you can just drag and place it wherever it is that you want on your project. So from here, you can go even further by removing the background if you wish to. To do that, ensure that you've selected it, click on Remove BG underneath Video, and then you want to select Auto Removal. And then once it's done, you should just wait for a few seconds and the background should be automatically removed. So you can see it's been removed automatically. So now you can make it smaller. So just use these handles to make it smaller. Then you can drag it to wherever it is that you want on your screen, like that. And then once you've done that, you've successfully added the logo to your project. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.